Loosen the screws securing the fan to remove the fan. Cut the TIs, remove the self-wrapping cloth and unplug the wires. Installing a new fan line direction is above. Wrapped in self-wrapping cloth. Just plug in the wiring and secure it with a cable tie.